Software Spring. Presents. Google Sheets project. Use if, with and, as a solution for the objective. To select candidates, with test score greater than or equal to 75, and interview score greater than or equal to 75, for final interview. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this Google Sheets project. The objective of this project is to select candidates, with test score greater than or equal to 75, and interview score greater than or equal to 75, for final interview. This is the data for the project. Okay, let's begin by taking a look at the if function formula. Here is an example. If this is true, if returns this value. If this is false, if returns this value. Key point. If allows only one logical expression. How to use two or more logical expressions in if. A solution is to nest the AND function inside if. Alright, here is the AND function formula. Let's look at an example. AND returns true only if all of these logical expressions are true. Else, it returns false. Lastly, here is the if and comma function formula. If all of these expressions are true, if returns this value. Else, it returns this value. Moving forward, we are all set to type the if and comma formula. To indicate to Google Sheets, you are typing a formula. First, type the equal to symbol. Type if, and select if. Now, let's nest the AND function. Type AN, and select AND. For logical expression 1, click this cell, type the greater than or equal to operator, and type 75. Type comma. For logical expression 2, click this cell, type the greater than or equal to operator, and type 75. Type the closing parenthesis, and type comma. For value if true, type yes, between double quotes, and type comma. For value if false, type no, between double quotes, and type the closing parenthesis. Alright, here's the final formula. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. Okay, the if and comma formula has returned yes, because both the data have fulfilled the conditions. The formula has returned no, because both the data has not fulfilled the conditions. Quick review. If allows only one logical expression. Use if with and to use two or more logical expressions. The if and comma function formula is multiple logical expressions can be used as arguments of AND function. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.